Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the skin so products adhere evenly. Cleanse, hydrate, and prime. Next, target the specific tone. Green neutralizes redness. Peach/orange cancels blue or purple under eyes, so you use the right hue. Apply a very thin layer with a small brush or fingertip where needed. This prevents buildup. Once done, gently blend edges into surrounding skin so there's no line. Make sure to use light pressure and build coverage gradually rather than slapping on a thick coat. Once your corrector is placed, you blend using a damp sponge with small bouncing motions. This preserves coverage and avoids streaks. After the corrector has set for a few seconds, apply a concealer that matches your skin tone directly over it to restore luminosity and evenness. Then, make sure to lightly set the area with translucent powder. This prevents creasing and helps layers last. If you need more coverage, repeat thin layers rather than one heavy pass, so results look natural and breathable. You finish by applying foundation with a light pressing motion, blending outward to integrate corrected areas into the rest of the face. If you notice excess color or patchiness, first blot gently, then apply a tiny amount of concealer and reblend. This corrects tone without removing coverage. Make sure to check in different light. Troubleshooting: if the area reads too orange or heavy, neutralize with a sheer skin-toned product or a touch of your setting powder and blend. This recalibrates shade without redoing the whole area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.